Okay, guys, 2 boxes of Playbook, number 24. Yeah, Jerry has autos in this. All right, Greg, since you went after it and no one else did, send 60. Greg, 60. 60. Greg, you're the man. Let's go. Guys, select is next. All the selects. Select hobby 2-box, select hobby full case, and select draft picks. Limited will fill itself. Jersey piece. Okay. Come on. Camera. There you go. OROY. Ooh. Ooh. I'll just take the commies. Beautiful mammoth material 3-color jumbo patch of Dotson. Dotson. On Dotson. Ooh, good auto. Starting wide receiver to 10 for the Packers. Rob, Vance Refrigeration. Romeo Dobbs to 10. Wide receiver 2, I love it. Nice hit. And this is a really cool book. Stud defensive tackle for the reigning defending NFC champions. To 35, it's Fletcher Cox. Ooh, what a patch. A black uniform patch. That's nasty. Ooh. 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 Ah. Sauce. Ooh. Sunday's best acetate patch. 2 colors of possibly a Jet. Dalvin Cook for the Vikings and Savage. Nice hit there. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. Oregon? Right? My man punched the dude in the face. The 99 LeGarrette Blount. No, they said it was his Achilles. Dwayne Key. His Achilles. Garrett Blount. And the last hit of the break by the Raiders. Zamir White book. $2.99. Zamir. Oh, he's done. Yeah. Cool break. That is the end of Playbook. For now or forever. I'm not sure. Sauce. Garrett. Nice Dalvin Cook. Great Jahan Dotson. LeGarrette Blount autograph. Romeo Dobbs to 10 auto. This is a really good break. Zamir White. $2.99. And this is sick. Fletcher Cox to 35. Great jumbo patch. Non-card auto. Awesome. All right, select time.